Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting what matters and removing what doesn't. First, back up important files to an external drive or cloud so you can delete without fear. Then create 3 folders: keep, archive, remove, and move every desktop item into the correct folder. This gives you quick context for decisions. Once done, enable Storage Sense in Settings and run a one-time cleanup to remove temp files and old installers, which immediately reduces clutter and improves performance. Next, streamline your taskbar and start. First, unpin apps you don't use. Aim for 5 to 7 essentials, so the bar reads like tools, not an archive. Then turn off widgets and the recommended section to remove persistent panels that distract you. After that, customize Start by removing tiles, grouping remaining apps into folders, and pinning only what you really launch. These changes reduce visual clutter and make navigation faster. Plus, they keep focus on productivity instead of aesthetic noise. Finish by polishing the look and locking it in. Choose a simple wallpaper and matching accent color and switch to dark mode for consistent contrast. This helps icons and text read clearly. Enable auto-hide taskbar or tweak icon spacing, then right-click the desktop to align icons to a grid so everything looks orderly. If something goes wrong, reboot first. Next, run SFC and DISM to repair system files, and, if needed, restore files from the backup you made at the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.